Okay, so a bundle. It's the DJI FPV. Comes with a battery, some spare blades. Not in bad condition. I think there's a minor scuff somewhere. But anyway, look at the video in the listing. It'll show you this in a bit more detail. But really, all this is just going to show you it flying. I've got it hooked up to my goggles V2. Now, I don't know whether or not you can see anything through there, but they hook up fine. Drone's not bound to anything. And essentially, I'm just going to give it a little pop up in the air in the house so you can see what it's like. They're pretty vicious, these things, so you've got to go careful. It takes a bit of a chance, actually, having a go inside. But controller, aerial up, into normal mode. And there we go. So rock solid, excellent stability. Can we see that camera moving up and down? We can. Fair old draft underneath these, but you can see the sensor operating there. Sounds lovely, all the lights working. This is in slowest mode. In the acrobatic mode, it's nuts. Got the gimbal. Just going to land it. And there we go. So job done. There's also